Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports on an update on our RAMCHARGER that we're restoring. This is simply a progress video. Please keep in mind we are about 60 to maybe 70% completed. So there's going to be a couple things exterior wise that are not wrapped up. This is just a progress report. We hope to have this RAMCHARGER completed in about 4 to 5 weeks. As we walk around, you'll see the exterior is absolutely as new as can be. Everything was refinished or replaced with the exception of the glass, the trim, the Dodge bezel, tailgate in the back. All new paint, all new wheels, tires, new bumpers, new lights. Paint came out absolutely gorgeous. We had this in our paint and body department for about 6 weeks. Took a ton of time on it. Stripped it down to bare metal. Did all the body work. Did all previous dents and dings were obviously rectified. Vehicle was sprayed with a 2K primer. It was then blocked down all the way. Then sprayed with the base coat and 2 coats of clear. Up front, brand new bumper, all new lights. That is the original grille, which is in beautiful condition as shown. Those are authentic truck light LED headlights. New lenses all the way around. Every single light on this truck is brand new. The paint has an absolutely gorgeous shine. Every square inch of this truck has been repainted. Anthracite finished fender flares, brand new 35, 12.5, 15 tires on American Racing aluminum Baja wheels. Those are 15 by 10s. Brand new tail lights, brand new rear bumper as well. The hood cowl is in the shop getting painted right now, so it's not installed. So we'll have a freshly painted hood cowl, brand new windshield wiper arms. So once again, the only thing that is original on this RAMCHARGER on the exterior, you have the front grille, the windows, the mirrors, the handles, and those have been polished, and the rear bezel around the rear quarter glass. Everything else is absolutely brand new. So underneath the truck, all new suspension all the way around. We also fully serviced the entire driveline, front differential, transmission, transfer case, rear differential. We finished the differentials off with brand new covers. Those are also fully adjustable RS 9000 shocks. Those are, for this truck, you're very limited in the shocks that you can purchase, and those are the best shocks that you can buy for this truck. Fully adjustable front and rear shocks. The entire brake system is brand new as well. brand new rotors, calipers, pads, brake lines, rear drums, shoes, and hardware. Engine wise, every single seal has been taken care of. Rear main seal, valve cover gaskets, oil pan gaskets, of course new fluids, everything else. Complete tune-up, complete ignition has been done. Right now it does not have it, but we are installing a set of headers, complete exhaust system, high flow catalytic converter. We're gonna have a ton of pictures of the undercarriage and all the new parts once those get installed. Now the interior is about 30% of the 40% that isn't done. We currently have the door panels off. Those are in our interior department getting done. We have all new carpet throughout. Every square inch of carpet is brand new. The back panel on the gate is off, getting redone as well. Passenger panel is off, getting redone. Seats are also out, getting redone. Like I said, guys, just a quick update. I know it's not highly detail oriented like most of our videos. Just wanted to show you the progress that we have made. This truck currently is going to go up for sale as of today. As far as the price goes, it's really going to depend on how you may want to complete it. If we are going to complete this truck according to our build, please contact us for a price. If you have any questions, 855-955-3377. Thank you.